Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Prestige P. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get this nice metallic eye look. It's very simple, very easy. So if you want to see how I get this look, just keep on watching and make sure you're already subscribed. First, I'm going to go ahead with my NARS concealer in the shade Amende. And I'm going to go ahead and clean up under my brows and also take it all the way down to my eyelid. Next, I'm going to go ahead with my Patrick Star powder, his first collection with MAC, and I'm going to go ahead and set that eyelid so that it does not start creasing up on me. Then I'm going to go into this Morphe palette here, and I'm taking that shade right here. But first thing first, I'm going to go ahead and take my tape, and I'm going to put it at the side so that when I put the shade, it have a nice, clean, straight line at the side. Then I'm going to go ahead and take that nice shade right there, and I'm going to put it a little bit above my crease and also into my crease, and this is my transition shade. So the next color is this nice one, and this is a little bit deeper, which is darker, and I'm going to focus that right into my crease right there and mostly on the outer, and I'm going to go ahead and blend it. Next, I'm going to go into the James Charles palette, and I'm going to go ahead and take that nice black shade right there, and I'm going to focus it right on the outer corner. So first I'm going to go ahead and stamp it on, and then later on I'm going to go ahead and take another brush and blend it out, but I'm mostly going to focus it right onto the outer corner. Next, I'm going to go ahead with my Garnier Miracle Water, and this is just to clean up your makeup. So I'm going to take it onto a cotton swab, and this is optional. You don't have to do this part. You could just go ahead and leave it and put your other shade on, but I decided to take that and just clean up only the lid, and then afterwards I'm going to go ahead and take my concealer again and just put it right on top. And the reason why I do this is just because I want to have a nice clean lid with no color on it at all for the other shade. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and take this nice shade right here. It's like a loose pigment. I bought it from Sephora, and this shade I'm only gonna put it onto the lid, and it's like very different tones of color. When you move a certain way, you see green, another way you see blue, purple. It's so many colors, and that's the reason why I love it. And I'm going to go ahead and put it right onto the lid. I'm going to go back into the black shade, and I'm going to take it only on the outer corner. And when you put that black shade onto the metallic shade, it gives it like a green color. So that's the reason why I put it on the outer corner, so that you have a nice different tone. Now you see how it looks when I take that tape off. Very nice. So I'm going to take that same shade that I used for the top, the transition, and a green color, and put it right underneath. Then I'm going to go in with my only and favorite by Gal Bang mascara. Next, I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills in the shade Ebony, and I want a clean, very simple, very natural looking eyebrow today. And I'm only going to fill in where the bald spot is, and that's about it with my eyebrow. I'm going to keep it simple and cute today. So I'm going to go into this Benefit Brow It's like a gel and it's brown, and I'm going to take it and put it right onto my eyebrow. Then I'm going to take my drugstore eyelash and put it on. Then I'm going to go back into the James Charles palette, and I'm going to take this nice copper golden shade right there, and I'm also going to put it in the inner corner and underneath the brow bone. And pretty much that is it, guys. I did the other makeup off camera, but I only want to focus on the eyes today. I hope you enjoy this makeup. Don't forget to tune in every single day, Monday through Friday, for more video. And thank you guys for watching, and I will see you again in my next video. Bye, guys.